The Naxos Music Library catalogue is huge, so it's good that there are easy ways to find music to listen to. One of the fastest ways of finding an album or a work is just to enter text in a keyword search here at the top. Let's test this by entering Allsop and Bernstein and then pressing enter. As expected, this returns a list of 13 albums, including the terms Allsop and Bernstein. From here we can dive straight into the album view to see more details. But the keyword search is more flexible, and it's even forgiving if I make a typo. So if I'm searching for Giltberg and Rachmaninoff, but I misspell both words, so Gilberg and Rachmaninoff with an F, it still finds the results. This is especially useful with Russian names, or names with diacritic symbols like Arvo-Pärt. Click the I icon here to see tips and suggestions about the keyword search. For a more granular search, let's have a look at the powerful Advanced Search. This page shows a number of search fields that we can use, and this is where it can get really interesting. Let's search for works that match these criteria. The category is concerto. The featured instrument is violin. And the period is romantic. You'll note that I don't have to type the full word. Start typing and then select from a list. Click here to search. And here's the album list. Click here to go back to the search page. There's no limit to the way you can combine parameters on the advanced search page. To clear the search, click here. And let's try this with the performing group Hong Kong Philharmonic Orchestra. And let's say the country is Austria. And if I click search, I'll find an album here which contains Schönberg's Verklärte Nacht.